Alright everybody, on today's episode of Paranormal Tech, I'm going to show you how to change this into this. I know. I'm actually going to show you how to change one of these. A regular action camera costs about 60 bucks so that it sees infrared, which is what I did with this one. It's the same exact one. And here we go. Alright, so we got the camera. Let's open this up. Oh yeah. Okay, first things first is you gotta get this cover off. You use fingernails. Gotta be careful a little bit. It just pops right out. With this camera, you'll twist this. You gotta go gentle, because right now it's glued into place, so it's perfectly focused. So when you take this out and you screw it and take it out, a lot of people and all the other 100 videos that are like this, they want you to scrape the glue off. I do not. And I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why right now. Because when you're all said and done and you go to screw this back in, when you're going to tighten it and you feel the glue can reconnect with the other glue, it's perfect. It's already in. Now, you can't just buy any $15, $20 camera. I've done multiple different ones. For instance, this one is one of those cameras. The problem is that when you go to twist it to take it off, this whole part right here breaks off, and then you're screwed out of 15, 20 bucks. So what you need a camera, you'll need a towel, a wrench. Okay, so what I like to do is put that over. There's a wrench. Oh, there we go. Now, see that little, bring it up here. See the little lens on the bottom there or whatever? Do not want to get any dust or anything on there, so what I do is I put it down, grab the rag, put it over it, so nothing falls into there. So, you see the little red tint there, that lens there, that's what's blocking or keeping it from seeing IR or infrared. So we gotta take that off. Now, a lot of people use heat guns. I use stuff around the house. Hair dryer. I'll do. Careful. I'm gonna hold this just enough to hold it. Turn this on. We'll heat this up. Now you can use a little screwdriver or anything, but my favorite thing is the knife. You gotta be careful. So I took it off. I'll grab this. Just wipe any dust out of there. Alright, and then put this back in. I screwed it in there slowly and lightly until I felt that like it stopped. That was the glue I left on there. Alright. Alright, so turn it on. So let's just take a quick test here. See? It works. So as always, if you liked the video and you want to see more, please make a comment down below. Hit that like and subscribe button. Until next time, thanks.